20 CRM tutorial and review 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about 20 CRM tutorial and the review. And so let's just know what is 20 CRM actually is. 20 CRM is a modern fully open source CRM, React or TypeScript frontend and Next.js or GraphQL backend, backed by Y Combinator, positioned as self-hostable Salesforce pen drive alternative. So the key features are custom data models and objects like create and relate contacts, companies, opportunities, and any custom object completely tailored to your workflow. So and flexible views and Kanban pipeline offers spreadsheet, list, and Kanban views for tasks or opportunities. Notion inspired UX makes it intuitive and notes, tasks, and activity timeline. So you can add rich or text or mark down notes, track history, and tasks on records. Great for collaboration and powerful API REST and GraphQL and connect 20 with external tools or automate workflows via API plus the Zapier integration. And self-hosting support and permission control and workflows. So the pros of this CRM is highly customizable and developer friendly and elegant, intuitive interface, and ownership and privacy is self-hosting ensures full data control with GDPR compliance, and API first design like enables deep integration and automation via REST GraphQL. And the cons are minimal built-in CRM features, technical overhead, limited native integrations. So 20 CRM is best for dev-savvy startups, agencies, and businesses craving data structure control with self-hosting, and those who need a sleek, customizable, open-source alternative to enterprise CRMs. And it's not ideal for SMBs needing ready-to-go marketing stacks, campaign tools, or built-in analytics. Non-technical teams looking for plug and play simplicity. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.